Hi viewers, we are here again with another interesting topic to discuss with you that we are sure is going to be very, very helpful to you. There are a lot of cases in our course today that are taking number of years, and more are coming into the court. And we have an obligation to let you understand that not every matter necessarily has to go through the rigors of litigation, because there are options that you can explore in settling your dispute rather than the traditional way of litigation. And this is why we're bringing this video to educate you, to give you awareness on this. My name is Ishaku Joseph Shirumai, legal practitioner based in Abuja, Nigeria. So if today is your first time seeing our videos, kindly subscribe, share and hit the notification button so that others will also get to see this video and learn what you are learning. Now, talking about alternative dispute resolution. Alternative dispute resolution is the use of other mechanisms for settling dispute other than the traditional way of coming to court. And basically, these mechanisms are not entirely new to us. It's just that they have been coordinated and condensed and given some English names, but even in our traditional societies and cultures, these mechanisms have been used. The mechanisms we are talking about is negotiation, mediation, conciliation, and arbitration. There are other mediums. These are mediums that parties who are in dispute can decide to say, let us come together and consider how this issue may be resolved. It can either be just the two of you getting a neutral third party and all that. They are very, very effective. However, they have some challenges that we have encountered in these processes in Nigeria, one of which is the issue of ignorance. A lot of people are ignorant about alternative dispute resolution. They don't know. All that comes to mind is this has to go to court, I have a lawyer, and all that is one of the factors. Another thing is the negative perception that people have about alternative dispute resolution. It's very common to hear people saying, you will hear from my lawyer, we will meet in court. So when they come to you as a lawyer and you say there is a way we can negotiate and discuss, some clients have the perception that this lawyer does not even know what he's doing, or this person cannot go to court. After all, I've already busted to the other person, you will hear from my lawyer, we will meet in court, and then this lawyer is saying let us sit down and discuss. There is this ignorance and a lot of other issues. Another challenges that we have with this is sometimes the decisions are not binding, and it's not in every dispute that you'll be able to make use of alternative dispute resolution. So these are few challenges, but it is still very, very effective. Alternative dispute resolution has its own advantages, one of which is time effective. You have the ability to sit down and discuss, and you resolve your issue in a very, very timely manner, other than the rigorous time you will take to first adjournment, to take motions, to take all manner of technicalities in the court. Another advantage it has is use of alternative dispute resolution is flexible. The parties can decide where, when, and how to meet and do their discussion, other than how the court will have to tell you there's a definite procedure, there's this technicality, you take adjournment. No matter how long the adjournment, you still have to wait, there's nothing you can do. When you are exploring any of these options, you can decide to finish your meeting today in the night and schedule another meeting tomorrow. It helps in timely resolution of dispute. Another thing is that it helps you to maintain your relationship. Most of the civil matters that come to court are matters between people who have had relationships before, either business relationship or any form of relationship, and then going through the rigors of litigation, expending so much resources here and there, end up leaving parties as enemies. But when you are taking the option of alternative dispute resolution, you sit down, you discuss together, it helps you to maintain relationship. Parties can resolve their issues, be happy, shake each other, and then take their move. It's a very, very effective medium that you can use. Another advantage that it has is that it will give you the liberty to take it at your pace. Very, very flexible. So this, we advise that when you have an issue like this, take the first step of negotiation, discuss, and when your lawyer tells you you can explore settlement, please listen to your lawyer and it will do you good. And even if your matter is already in court, you can still have the room to discuss your issue. You can tell the court, we want to explore settlement, and the court will even be happy to grant you an adjournment for a time to go and discuss, settle your issue, and then come to the court and give a report of your settlement. It's a very effective method, and we implore you to please consider this anytime you want to resolve your dispute. It is, however, unfortunate that most of the criminal cases are not open for alternative dispute resolution. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you.